Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. The State Health Committee of Baja California Sur confirmed that the state continues in Alert Level 3 on the health alert system for the COVID-19 pandemic. The health authorities at the state level confirmed that for this coming week, there are no changes in restrictions. That is, no new authorizations for openings, but also they pointed out that the number of new confirmed cases and the percentage of hospital beds being used allow for another week at Level 3, rather than going back to higher alert levels, as has been the case in other parts of Mexico. Víctor Flores, Secretary of Health for Baja California Sur, explains that there are no conditions to advance to a lower alert level in the state health alert system, but also there is no need to return to critical levels of closure of economies and restrictions on routine activities. He also added that the actions taken by the health authorities in coordination with state and municipal authorities to avoid crowds during the Halloween and Day of the Dead celebrations were successful, and they expect continued progress in the number of cases and hospital occupancy. 654 people have died in Baja California Sur due to COVID-19 during the pandemic, with 21 deaths registered this week, 10 less than the previous week. Of the total number of deaths, 226 people were residents of the municipality of Los Cabos. According to the statistics presented today, for week 42, there were 90 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 107 recovered patients last week. In Los Cabos, 18 COVID-related deaths were registered, 10 more than the previous week. Also, the municipality of Los Cabos stayed in fourth place in the statistics of positivity with 34.9%. Hospital occupancy has dropped, with 73 hospitalized patients and 33 of them reported as critical. Mexico's equivalent to Black Friday is known as el Buen Fin, which stands for the Good Weekend, and this year, the weekend of discounted sales will extend for 11 days, from November 9 to the 20th, with hundreds of retailers and service providers participating with discounts on goods and services, hoping to have good sales to boost their revenues. Most businesses in Los Cabos will participate in some way. Ignacio Lavandera, president of Canaco, acknowledged that not all businesses will be able to have great offers. This due to the difficult economic situation that has prevailed this year, although he assured there will be good results for El Buen Fin. Lavandera mentioned that during these 11 days, consumers will be able to purchase products at lower prices or even with more affordable payment schedules, and he added that he is confident that this will be a good opportunity for Mexican travelers to take advantage of the discounts in airline tickets and hotels. Los Cabos Film Festival is distinguishing itself by committing to a fully digital format and by offering its content to all at no charge. Festival directors Maru Garzón and Alejandra Paulin recently told El Universal that taking the event fully online will be quite a feat. But it is not the first challenge the festival has faced in its previous 7 years. It's dealt with budget cuts, changes in administration, and more. Making a digital festival certainly implies challenges, said Alejandra Paulin, who added that the cost is different from an in-person version, and this year they're working with a very reduced budget. The festival is scheduled to begin next Wednesday, November 11, and according to Garzón, the online format with free films will allow the festival to reach more people. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great weekend, and remember to tune in this Sunday at 6 p.m. for Cabomilnews and Community Update with Corey Riggs and Claudia Velo, and special guests Eduardo Rodriguez of Ciudad Canina and Aida Trujillo of Pet Los Cabos.